Now we are going to factor using multi-step. Our first step of multi-step is to list out our factors and find the GCF. Oops, did one extra x here. Now the biggest number that they all have in common is 4. So that will be factored out. And I can cross off one line of x's. I'm going to write down what I have left. 1x squared plus 2x minus 8. Now I recognize that this is a sum and product because there are 1, 2, 3 terms inside the parentheses. So I list my factor of the last term, which is 8. So 1 and 8 and 2 and 4. Then I ask myself, which of those factors will add or subtract to be a positive 2? And it is 2 and 4. So I am going to make my factoring frames and split 2 of my x's evenly and write in my factors of 2 and 4. Now I need to multiply to be a negative, so that is either a positive and a negative or a negative and a positive. Here I want to add to be a positive 2. So I know that needs to be a negative 2 and a positive 4. Finally, I'm going to take this GCF and just drop it down right in front. Let's go ahead and list out the factors of this one. 1 and 18, 2 and 9, and 3 and 6. And I have 2 x's. Factors of 50, 1 and 50, 2 and 25, 5 and 10. Now I recognize that the biggest number that they both have in common is 2. And I have no x's I can cross off. So I'm factoring out a 2, and inside my parentheses I'm writing what I have left, which is 9 x2 minus 21. Now here I recognize that this is a difference of squares because there are 2 products, or 2 terms. So I make my 2 sets of parentheses, and I ask myself what number times itself is 9, and it is 3 and 3. I need to split those x's evenly, so x1, x1. And the number times itself to give me 25 is 5 and 5. Make one of those a positive and one of those a negative. My GCF that's in front just drops down. And here's your final answer for multi-step.